Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at an example of an Esbit Pocket Stove, and this is a type of portable stove. They come in different sizes. This one happens to be the smaller pocket size, and these typically use as a combustible fuel source some sort of fuel tablet, typically made of hexamine or some sort of other octane type of fuel. Um, this is a folding design, and if we look at the back here in reverse, Esbit, made in West Germany. You can see here the DDR patent information statement, and on the front, the Esbit logos, serial number, some German text, and some visual diagrams as to how to open this into two different positions depending on the size of container you're trying to heat up. And you can see here also some more of the stamping on this side as well. So if we open it up, you can see how these sort of lock into these positions that are kind of locked by these stamped protrusions. We continue to open into the full position. This can then be set upright like so, and your fuel source would go here in the middle, a tablet about this size right here. A larger version of this would use larger versions of the heating tablets. That would have to be ignited in some sort of way. Now, one of the additional features of this is if you don't have any fuel tablets handy, you can use any combustible material of a wood type variety or paper. Although paper would not be the most ideal, some sort of kindling twig brush arrangement that would fit in here and provide proper airflow would be an ideal fuel source. And if you look in the thumbnail for this video, the middle pane of the thumbnail shows actually this very example in this configuration, heating up a regular stovetop sized pot for heating up some soup. So, and that was using an actual wooden twig fuel source. It did take a few minutes to bring the soup to a rolling boil and then to continue heating through and cooking with continued addition of twigs as the fuel source was expended. But taking a quick look at an example of an Esbit pocket stove. So feel free to check out Esbit. They do have different product offerings, not just this portable stove, but other outdoor items. So Esbit. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews. We also do unboxing videos and also a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.